Good morning, AIU Business 150. How are you today? Welcome, welcome. This is Friday. I am so glad to see you guys. I want to just say, again, congratulations on being here at AIU and continuing education. This is fantastic. We have a great class, and so many of you have gotten involved so far. I've seen you in IntelliPath. I've seen you in discussions. Please continue. This is how you're going to do well, how you're going to succeed. Take the success and bring it to your job and make more money, because you can do it. Every single person can do this in this class. I expect to see you all doing this. Now, just one note of caution, okay? We all like to see if we can, play the odds. If you've ever been to Las Vegas or any gambling, we try to see if we can beat the house, right? Don't try that here at AIU. Don't do what this student did. You could see the student here, and I just ended up failing her. You can see the grades here. She did some work on her discussion board. She did okay the first 2 weeks. In the last 3 weeks, she did pretty good, right? But then she did pretty poorly on her IntelliPath. So unit number 1 right there, she failed and never bothered to try to improve it. So she had 4 weeks to improve that grade. That was an F. She got a D week number 2, an F number 3, another F, another F. And didn't spend any time on that to improve those grades. You guys can do that. You guys can go in anytime you want until the last day to improve your IntelliPath, to practice and revise. Yeah, you can do it. Practice and revise. So if you do get a bad grade, fix it. And fix it right away. Don't wait until the last day. This woman here, if she even made more discussions, she would have probably passed. Look, she got a 30 here. I mean, she didn't make a post. She just didn't make a post. It would have taken probably about 5 or 6 minutes to do this. Didn't do it. And this happens. Maybe she was busy. She had stuff to do. Life, I know, is busy. But when you're this close, it is insane to have this kind of grade. It is insane. And there were several like this. And there were some students who got, say, a 69 or a 79 or an 89. You could have gotten a higher grade, right? There is no reason that you can't go for the gold, okay? I don't want to see any of you guys failing this class. I just don't want to see it. You could pass this class. It's not an issue, all right? You have to want it. And most of you have written back to me saying you do want to pass this class. I'm there for you. I will help you. But you got to want this class to pass it. And if you want it, you will pass it. Okay? Please, I don't want to lose any of you guys. If you need me, write to me. I am here for you. You can message me in our messenger system, email me. Okay? My goal, and you also have your student advisors that are there for you, and tech support. Any problem with the system, get help immediately. Reach out for tech support. They'll help you right away. If you can't get on, no problem. We're there for you 24/7. That's what we're here for. Okay? The question is, do you want to do it? If you do, we're there for you. Computer broken? Go to a library. Take care of it. Get it done. Pass this class. There's a lot of wonderful opportunities here at AIU for you. I want you to be there. Please do your best. I'm here for you. Congratulations again on coming back to school, and good luck. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the discussions. Take care.